So, what if everything you've ever been told about building wealth is, well, only half the truth? I mean, think about it. Most people just assume that extraordinary success comes from, blind luck, perfect timing, or maybe having a rich uncle. But here's the thing. Study after study actually shows that roughly 80% of today's millionaires are entirely self-made. They inherited absolutely nothing. So today, we're going to challenge those myths. In this explainer, we're diving deep into the source material to uncover the real truth behind lasting financial success. We're stripping away all that fantasy of overnight riches and looking closely at what literally works.
Because the reality is, and I love how this quote captures it, wealth is usually built in silence through habits repeated when no one is watching, right? So we aren't going to be talking about flashy luxury cars or that loud, highly curated wealth you see blasted all over your social media feeds. And we certainly aren't going to rely on empty motivation that just vanishes by tomorrow morning. Instead, we're exploring the quiet, intentional, honestly kind of unglamorous daily decisions that actually shape real fortunes. These are the choices made long before the results ever show up.
Welcome to the Explainer. I'm absolutely thrilled to guide you through this material today because we are essentially going to construct a blueprint for lasting wealth. By synthesizing our source material, we've boiled down 15 powerful habits of self-made millionaires into 5 core pillars. Think of this whole process like constructing a house, a robust financial house that can weather literally any economic storm.
Okay, let's quickly look at the agenda for our blueprint today. We're going to cover 1. The wealth mindset. 2. Mastering money mechanics. 3. Systems over motivation. 4. Creating massive value. And finally, 5. Building a lasting legacy.
All right, let's jump right into Pillar 1, the wealth mindset, which is all about laying your internal foundation. You see, before extraordinary wealth ever actually shows up in a bank account, it has to first be developed in the way a person thinks. This mindset is the absolute bedrock of our house. It's the contrast between the exhausting trap of running on a hamster wheel just for today's paycheck versus the quiet, deliberate act of planting a tree so you can harvest tomorrow's assets. Now, an employee mindset naturally centers on completing assigned tasks for immediate comfort. And hey, there is absolutely nothing wrong with earning a salary. We all need to pay the bills. But an owner mindset, it asks a totally different question. They don't just ask, what can I afford today? They ask, what can I acquire or create right now that will appreciate in value and build real independence? You don't even need to own a company to think like an owner. You just need to take ownership of your choices.
And to maintain that owner mindset, you really have to master delayed gratification. It's simply exchanging a smaller reward today for a much greater one tomorrow. But man, we live in a world that pushes instant results, right? It is a daily psychological battle. It's resisting that very real urge to upgrade a perfectly good smartphone just because a new model dropped. Or ordering food delivery again because, well, you're just too tired to cook. Deliberately choosing long-term growth over instant temporary satisfaction is the absolute hallmark of the self-made. It's choosing to invest your tax refund instead of blowing it on something that literally loses value the second you open the box.
So, mastering your mindset also means you've got to master your emotions. Let's look at 3 dangerous emotional traps that quietly, almost invisibly, destroy financial potential. First, fear. Fear can completely paralyze you, causing you to run in a total panic from a plunging market when you really should be looking for discounts. Then there's greed. That's the hypnotic lure of a shiny green gem, right? It tempts you into reckless schemes that promise overnight riches, but basically just deliver empty pockets. And comparison? Oh, that's the classic modern trap. That's spending money you don't actually have just to match someone else's carefully curated highlight reel. Mastering these 3 emotions is what keeps your internal foundation rock solid.
Moving right along to Pillar 2, mastering money mechanics. This is where we start building the framework.
Okay, with our foundation poured, we need to turn that mindset into mechanized habits. I love this comparison because it shows how 2 people earning the exact same salary can end up in vastly different realities based on just one habit. The spender pays all their bills, maybe grabs some takeout, and just kind of hopes there's something left to save at the end of the month. The result? They stay stuck, living paycheck to paycheck. But the wealth builder does something radically simple. They pay themselves first. They automate their savings through direct deposit straight into their investment accounts before they even look at a single bill. They are treating their future self as their most important creditor. 10 years down the line, one person is super stressed, and the other? They've got a padded emergency fund and growing assets.
Once you're consistently saving, you have to fundamentally reframe what those savings actually are. Think of money as a tireless employee. It never sleeps, it never complains, it doesn't take vacations, and it works 24/7 with one singular job, to earn you more dollars. So let me ask you directly, what are your dollars going to do today? Are you just going to blindly consume them, which is basically firing your employees before they even start their shift, or are you going to put them to work?
Let's walk through this powerful compounding sequence to see exactly how that workforce operates. Step 1, you earn $1 by trading your precious time. Step 2, you invest it. Boom, congratulations, you've officially hired your first employee. Step 3 is compound growth. This is the magic part where your invested dollar earns a return, and then that return starts earning its own returns. Your employee is out there hiring more employees. And finally, step 4, you reach freedom. Just imagine waking up on a random Tuesday with total control over your schedule. Your financial workforce has grown so massive that it entirely replaces your need to labor. You haven't just bought things, you've literally bought back your time.
Next up is Pillar 3, systems over motivation. Think of this as installing the internal wiring of our house.
As we wire our finances, we have to recognize a pretty painful truth. Relying on Monday's motivation will basically guarantee your failure by Thursday. Why? Because of decision fatigue. Think of your willpower like a draining battery. Every single decision you make, what to wear, what to eat, whether to manually transfer that $50 to savings, it all consumes mental energy. Forcing yourself to make the right choice every single day completely drains your willpower. But by automating your savings, your investments, and your daily routines, you completely remove the emotional struggle. Think about how liberating it feels to wake up knowing your financial systems are running perfectly on autopilot, without you having to make a single choice. You get to protect your precious willpower for bigger, more creative things.
This quote perfectly captures the difference. Motivation asks, do I feel like doing this today? A system asks, what is the next step? It's a real game changer. Think of a good system like a commercial airplane's navigation computer. It's constantly, quietly auto-correcting through howling winds, turbulence, and unexpected distractions to keep the plane exactly on course. A solid system keeps you moving forward, executing the right habits, even on the absolute darkest, most tiring days when your motivation completely fails you.
All right, Pillar 4, creating massive value. This is where we start constructing the exterior.
The self-made millionaire knows a core secret. Wealth naturally follows value. So I want to challenge you right now. Stop asking how you can make more money. Actually, scratch that. Replace it entirely. Instead, start asking how you can solve bigger, more meaningful problems for other people. How can you become undeniably more valuable to your team, to your clients, or even your entire industry?
To solve those bigger problems, you need to fire up these 5 engines of massive value, and they actually all feed into one another beautifully. It all starts when you protect your time relentlessly, because time is your only non-renewable asset, right? When you fiercely guard your time, you create the necessary space to make learning your greatest investment. You realize yesterday's expertise just isn't enough for tomorrow's challenges. And as you constantly learn, you naturally never stop reinventing yourself as industries inevitably shift. This continuous evolution, it attracts incredible people, allowing you to cultivate powerful, authentic relationships based on real mutual trust, not just, transactional networking. Ultimately, this network and your upgraded skills empower you to build multiple streams of income so you are never, ever dependent on a single river of cash. Adopt these habits and your income will absolutely follow your expanding value.
Now, creating massive value absolutely requires stepping out of your comfort zone, for sure, but you have to do it intelligently. Just compare the sheer panic of pulling a slot machine lever and praying for a jackpot to the calm, calculated strategy of playing a game of chess. Reckless gambling is acting on raw emotion with zero preparation, just crossing your fingers and hoping for the best. Calculated risk, on the other hand, which is what true wealth builders do, involves thorough research. It means deeply understanding the downside and preparing for multiple outcomes. It's stepping into uncertainty with a careful, calculated plan rather than just taking a blind leap.
And that brings us to our final section, Pillar 5, building a lasting legacy, putting on the overarching roof.
This is honestly one of the most profound takeaways from our source material for this explainer. Wealth without purpose creates temporary comfort. Wealth with purpose creates lasting impact. True self-made millionaires eventually discover that money is just a tool. Its highest use isn't just buying luxury, it's creating structures, businesses, educational opportunities, and communities that outlive your own individual effort. It's about building a shelter that protects others long after you're gone.
And that brings us to the concept of the ultimate inheritance. History is just full of tragic stories where transferring mere cash ends in total financial ruin within a single generation. Why does that happen? Because the daily habits didn't transfer with the money. True inheritance isn't just handing over a bank account routing number. It is passing down the flame of wisdom and financial understanding.
It's passing down responsibility, discipline, integrity, character, and generosity. Transferring the mindset is what ensures the wealth actually lasts and continues to do good in the world.
Which brings us to our final, provocative question to leave you with today. What meaningful difference will your resources create? I really want to challenge you to view your financial journey not just as the pursuit of a fortune, but as the building of a character and a legacy that truly endures. Because the habits that create wealth are the exact same habits that make you a stronger, more disciplined, and more generous person. Start small, stay consistent, and ask yourself, when the house is finally built, who else will it shelter?